Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. With the name of Allah, who is very kind and merciful. Welcome to my Topper Student channel. In this channel, you will find the solution of mathematics and computer science for OA level. Today we shall discuss question number 5 of paper 1 pure mathematics session by June 2023. In order to search this channel on the YouTube, please use the word my topper student. You will find the channel my topper student. For online tuition, please contact on this WhatsApp number. In paper 1, pure mathematics session by June 2023, the question number 5 is, in a diagram, the diagram shows the curve with equation y equal to 10x raised by 1 by 2 minus 5 by 2 x raised by 3 by 2 for x greater than 0. The curve meets the x-axis at the point 0, 0 and 4, 0. Find the area of the shaded region. Before we start the solution of the question, first of all we shall share the formula in order to find the area under the curve. The formula is integration from a to b y dx. In this case, as the formula is y dx, limit given is of x-axis from 0 to 4. So we shall use formula y dx, limit along the x-axis. Limit along the x-axis is from 0 to 4. So in this case, our limit is from 0 to 4 y dx, and the value of y is 10x raised to 1 by 2 minus 5 by 2 x raised to 3 by 2 dx. Now we shall integrate. We know that from the formula x dx, if a variable have derivative, then we shall add 1 in the power and write the same power in the denominator, plus c, the constant of integration. The integration of x raised to 1 by 2 is x raised to 1 by 2 plus 1 over 1 by 2 plus 1. Similarly for x raised to 3 by 2 over 3 by 2 plus 1. 10 and pi by 2 as the constant is the constant. So in this case, 10 x is 3 by 2 over 3 by 2 minus 5 by 2 x is 5 by 2 over 5 by 2, limit from 0 to 4. After simplification, we shall apply the limit, upper limit and the lower limit. Upper limit and the lower limit, and after simplification we get a equal to 21.33. Thank you for watching the solution prepared by senior level A level teacher. Wish you good luck for your exam.